Hi guys, I am just getting ready for the patients now in the clinic. My assistant Cash is going to be here any minute. And on Sundays, there's some extra security in the building, so we have to make sure the doors are locked, so we have to buzz people in to the front door. So I'm just getting the chairs all set up here. Cash is going to help me as soon as she comes in. And it's because we have this robot vacuum that we move the chairs so the clinic is clean every night. So the robot vacuum is right over here, just behind me. And it does a pretty good job of keeping the clinic clean. There it is. And I actually ordered a couch for this room. It's going to be really nice to put that couch in here so people can wait when other people are getting, loved ones are getting treated. Here's my treatment area. I've got a couple tables here, table 1 and table 2, and this is where I do the treatments. It's a beautiful day outside. You can see out our window right here, and we can see the mountains from our window, which is awesome. There's all our solar panels on the parkade right there. And so most of the treatments happen here in room 2. This is my office right here, room 3. And this is where I do the examinations, reassessments, some treatments in here as well. And then Cash just came in, and in room 1, this is where she sits, and she does administrative work. Here she is.
Hi everyone.
That's Cash. And so this is where we do shockwave and laser, and Cash does the administrative work, billings for the insurance for patients. We do orthotics in the clinic too, so that type of thing. And here's the products we have in the clinic too. So we've been working at getting our products all organized right here. And then we have displays over here as well. So we're gonna get ready for this shorter afternoon shift here on Sunday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.